5 things that you will find in a bedroom. We use these to support our head and our neck while sleeping. They are pillows. We use this to keep us warm when we're sleeping. It's a blanket. We use this as a storage space for clothes, shoes, and other things. It's a wardrobe, or in American English, it's a closet. We cover windows with these. They are curtains. This is a reflective surface that we look in and we use for dressing and grooming. It's a mirror. Can you think of any other items that belong in a bedroom? If you can, let me know in the comments. Let's learn